In this video I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Google Sheets. It is very easy. We can make one ourselves, but we can also use the template gallery, and I would recommend that. If you go to the template gallery on the right top, then you will find different options. Now if we scroll down to work, there you will find an invoice template. We will select it, and once it is loaded up, we can start customizing it. Like, we can change the company name, let's say Tech Tutorials, and we can change the address if we want. We can also make it a little bit less colorful, because an invoice needs to be formal. So we will change this to black. Just select the title and select the black color over here to change the text color. Also for this one, we will make it black. And here we can fill in the information about the person who is receiving the invoice. Let's say Danny $, and here you can insert the company name. Also, you can set here your company name, so Tech Tutorials. You can change the invoice number over here. Also, when they have to pay, let's say you want to change this to today, select today. And here you can fill in other information like the project name or something if it's regarding your project. And after that you can fill in the description of the items which you are selling, or the service of course. Now let's say we will leave it like this for now. And you can also change the prices, so adjust them. Let's say you would like to change the unit price to 300 or 400. Then you will see that this price automatically updates. So that is very useful, so you don't have to do the calculation yourself, and it will calculate all the prices itself. Now you can also go a little bit down, and there you will see adjustments. You can also rename this to, for example, discounts. So we will change this to discount, and let's say you would like to give $200 of discount, then it will update the price. Now as you can see, all the prices are in dollars. If you would like to change the currency, it is also very easy to do. Just go to format and then go to here to numbers and scroll a little bit down, and there you will find different options. Here we can set the custom currency. So what we will do, we will select it, and now the dollar is selected. But if you would like to change it to euros for an example, then scroll a little bit down to euros. Once we are there, you will find the euro. Now select it and apply it. And after that, you will see that the price will be changed in euros. Now if you select all these cells, then you can go to format, numbers, and then adjust the currency by going to custom, select euro again, apply, and as you can see, all the prices are now in euros. If you would like to export your invoice, then you can go to file, and here you will find different options to share it. You can share it with others. You can also email it or download it as a PDF document. Now, if you will download it, then you will see that we are exporting the file. I would like to use the portrait version because that is the normal version of an invoice. So as you can see, we have now the invoice and we can start exporting it. Now, as you can see, if we download it and then open it, we have created successfully an invoice in Google Sheets. And that is how you create invoices with very less effort. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!